Alright guys, Amigos here, and I'm going to be showcasing my Illiad pack, and this was actually inspired by Cell Saver, and a lot of these pack parts are, made to model Cell Saver, so, yeah, this is just a, showcase, and I have to fix the potion overlay, so the pack isn't done, which is partly why I'm not releasing it, but also I want to keep this pack for a little bit, because I just finished making it, and I'm recording this, so I'm going to showcase it, and, tell me what you guys think. So, yeah, this is the Diamond Armor Faithful 64, and, yeah, this is how it looks on. It's pretty cool. I actually like it, and that's the Diamond Sword. And, I'm lagging right now because I'm playing on 1280 times 720, and, what's it called? This pack is pretty high res, so, yeah, as I said, Illiad is the name. This comes from the Greek. It's the book, of the Greek gods, like Zeus and Hermes and Athena and things like that. So yeah, I read this book sophomore year, which was last year. So yeah, holy shit, I just froze. All right, that was bad. I just froze. Anyways, here is the bow. It's got a little cloud effect on the bottom. I don't think you guys can see that, but I didn't want to make it too evident. And here's the arrow, just your like standard arrow. And as I said, I have to fix the pot overlay. So yeah, here are the pots. Yeah, so I gotta fix that overlay for you guys, and I'll try to get like a PvP clip with this pack. But yeah, gotta fix that overlay. But those are the pots. I will fix the overlay obviously before I release the actual pack. And here are the splash particles, and that's the inventory. Illiad. Splash particles are little bubbles, red bubbles, and here, what's it called? I'll show you guys the sharpness particles, which are like light blue with a cloud effect hexagons, and the crit particles are red versions of those blue hexagons, and yeah, it's pretty much the pack. Um, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, tell me what you guys think of the Illiad pack. Obviously, I'm lagging because I'm recording in a huge res to make the video HD, and I am also, what's it called? This pack is pretty high res, so yeah. But yeah, so here is the pearl. There you go. And that's pretty much it for the pack. So yeah, just let me know your thoughts on the pack, and see you guys. Hopefully you enjoy the little PvP clip after this.
And I be blood, he might as well be royal. Blue, shoot up the coupe. Pull up in out as it carpet and smoke the fuck nigga like Snoop. Richie packed up to the boot, take out like a troop. Bloods up with me back in 21 guns to lose. Everything come out your mouth is a fairy, no tooth. I found some blackberries when I pull up and serve you. I might get guys to pull up to the set and merch too. Now rest inside of my pocket, same size in my shoes. Damn. Still got yams. Y'all got grams. I fuck males. I fuck grams. Whoa. Why so hush? Why so duck? I so white. Rubber spot. Rich gang. Loyal man royal. I ain't support you. Whoa. I got loyal. Now who know you? Bitch, I'm sad. Big couple. Hey. I drink sodas. No Coca-Cola. 730. 730. 730. 730. 730. Rich gang. 730. 730. I go so 30 when I get the birdies. When I go so 30, do not get disturbed. Rich gang. I go so 30 even if you nerdy. I might go so 30 if it's too perfect. Slimy little bitches, that slimy little niggas, that slime on my, slime on my, slime on my. I'ma still slime your ass out if it's not worth it, cause it's just not enough. I'ma slime your ass all out by myself, I do not need no help at all. Bitches and niggas gon' come and gon' go and I know how to deal with y'all. I'm in there, roll to the YSS school and I swear on the principal. I do not care if you slime for $1 and changes the principal. Send a little bitch inside of the butt trap, slime him for his utensils. And bring it back, slap, slap, slap. 730. 730. 730. 730. 730. Rich gang. 730. 730. Rich gang. 730. 730. 730. I go 730. 730. All of them cruising, they going 630. All of them blazing, they going 730. All of them sliding, they going 730. Rich gang. All of rich gang, they going 730. All BMG, and they